In this video, we're going to talk about how you can join an admin server in Steal A Brainrot Roblox. The first thing that you have to do is open up the website here, roblox.com, and search for Steal A Brainrot, like so. In experiences, and you want to open up the games page. Now, once you have the games page open, we will go into servers, and from here, if you have any friends which currently have admin access, you will be able to find them from the other servers list or here at the top, like I said, if they are your friends. And if they have a private server, you will be able to join them, and that's going to be an admin private server. And also, if you know that some people are indeed admins here, you can go and click on ascending and find a server. And like I said, if you recognize the person's avatar and if they're an admin, you can just click on join and join them, and you will have joined an admin server. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.